Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Mr. Taraon. In today's episode, we're going to cook braised chicken with mushrooms. Painitin lang natin yung ating pan. Maglagay tayo ng oil. Isa lang natin yung ginger at saka garlic for 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, ilagay natin yung chicken. Then, fry lang natin siya, both sides. Lagyan natin yung spring onion, yung dehydrated mushrooms, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, water, rock sugar, cover lang natin siya and braise natin siya for around 30 minutes, medium fire. After 30 minutes, tanggalin lang natin yung spring onion. Then, maglagay tayo ng Shao Xing Wine, yung cornstarch with water for thickening agent. Mix lang natin siya mga kapodi till maging thicken yung sauce natin. Pag naging thicken na yung sauce natin, turn off fire. Transfer sa ating plate. Ganyan lang po kasimple ang magluto ng braised chicken with mushrooms. If you like this recipe na to mga kapodi, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless. See you po for my other vlog po. Thank you.